Welcome back students of class 4 to e-learning class. So we are meeting after long holidays. I think you have enjoyed your puja holidays well. So today I will teach you the science subject, new chapter, chapter number 6, soil. So I have already started the chapter in the live class. I have already started. We'll have a discussion there. I will start from types of soil. Okay. Today we will discuss from types of soil. See, there are mainly three types of soil we have seen. Okay, three types. They are sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Okay, sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. So what we have learned, different places have different types of soil. The types of soil depends upon the kind of rock from which it is formed. Soils differ in size, color, and texture of particles. There are mainly three types of soil: sandy, clay, and loamy. Sandy soil, what are the features there? It mainly, number one, it mainly contains sand. Number two, it is found in deserts and on seashore. Number three, it is yellow or light brown in color. Number four, it cannot hold much water as water passes through its particles easily. Number five, it is mixed with cement and used for making buildings. Next, clay soil, it mainly contains clay. Number two, it is found in ponds and river beds. Number three, it can hold a lot of water as water does not pass through its particles easily. And number four, it is used for making pots, toys, and kacha houses. Then loamy soil, what are the features of loamy soil? It contains both sand and clay. It can hold enough air and water, and it is good for growing plants as it contains humus. So these are the three types of soil we have learned, and also we have learned what is soil, how soil is formed, and what is humus. What is humus? Humus is actually the dark color substance formed of dead plants and animals. It makes the soil fertile. Today we will learn soil erosion. Okay. Now we will learn soil erosion. Soil erosion. Okay, now we will learn soil erosion. This is from page number 34. Okay, soil erosion. Soil has many layers. The topmost layer of the soil is called topsoil. You will learn this one. What is topsoil? What is topsoil? Okay, the topmost layer of the soil is called topsoil. It is the most fertile layer. So the topmost layer is the most fertile layer. It is best for farming because it is rich in humus. Humus is present there, so it is very good for the plants. Sometimes this topsoil is carried away by strong wind and running water. So sometimes this topsoil is carried away by strong winds and strong running water. The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of the wind, rain, and river water is called soil erosion. So, what is soil erosion? You learn this one. What is soil erosion? The removal of the fertile topsoil by the action of the wind, rain, and river water is called soil erosion. The loss of fertile topsoil makes the land unfit for farming. So if fertile topsoil is lost, farming cannot be done. Okay. So now we learned the causes of soil erosion. This is also very important, causes of soil erosion. The main causes of soil erosion are as follows. What are the main causes? The main causes of soil erosion are: number 1, strong wind. Okay. Number 2, deforestation. Deforestation, cutting down of trees in large numbers. Remember, what is deforestation? Deforestation is the cutting down of trees in large numbers. Then number 3, overgrazing, grazing on the same area for a long time. Grazing on the same area for a long time is called overgrazing. And heavy rain and floods. Okay, so these are the causes of soil erosion. What are the causes? The main causes of soil erosion are strong wind. So we'll learn this question. What are the causes of soil erosion? What are the causes of soil erosion? Okay, we learn this one also. So what are the causes of soil erosion? Main cause of soil erosion is strong wind. Okay, and deforestation, cutting down of trees in large numbers. Number 3, overgrazing, grazing on the same area for a long time, and heavy rain and floods. So today we have learned up to this soil erosion. Okay, see, so what we have learned, just a recap there, we have learned that soil, what is soil, then how soil is formed. Then we have also learned humus. Okay, humus, what is humus? We have learned humus is a dark color substance that is formed of remains of dead plants and animals. Okay, then we have seen that different types of soil. I have written on the board 3 types. They are sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. There are 3 types of soil. Okay, then we have learned soil erosion today. Okay, soil erosion, first of all, before learning soil erosion, we have learned what is topsoil. The topmost layer of the soil is the topsoil. Okay, when this topsoil is removed by the action of the wind, rain and river water or running water, then this is called soil erosion. Then we have also learned causes of soil erosion. We have seen the main causes are strong winds. I have told you, strong wind, deforestation and overgrazing and heavy rain and floods. Okay, these are the different causes. These are the causes. Okay, so up to this we will learn today. Next day we will learn the conservation of soil. Okay, so thank you everyone.